mine's about to be too sweet too. I put a whole bunch of hot chocolate and caramel in it. Theirs tastes better than mine. How that happen? Ooh, we got chili. These be nasty. Not you want to try them.
They're like candy candy.
So you gonna eat though what you want.
I was gonna look at those.
Oh, look at this corn. Oh.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children sing.
One thing I don't like about them, I don't like this. Like there's no thing around there. That's the same thing mine had.
All right. Take off. We'll see you in a minute. Thank you.
Same thing mine had. How you liking it?
I don't know. Gotta hear it first.
Put your seatbelt on.
I'm not trying to hear it though. That's the first thing first, cause I'm gonna be tuning it, bro. So I want to hear it.
It don't sound like nothing.
Talk about that part though. Let's see. And this one only got 333 horsepower, so shit.
What was the other one?
Huh?
What's the other option?
None. I'm just saying, it comes stock 333 horsepower.
Uh-oh. Let's put the wallet in here. Alright, should I narrate like my mama? What is that? Test driving. It is test driving one of the cars he liked. It's an Audi S5. Yeah. An Audi S5. It's black on the outside, black on the inside.
You remember that when I get this other truck? One truck. I get another truck.
Yeah, good park.
No, it is definitely a good park. Like one down.
Somebody can park behind it.
He the one.
Something about everybody else can't get in.
I couldn't pull my legs up.
Take elevator to level 3.
I ain't even doing the video. How about you?
Hilarious. I'm gonna get me pictures from the view. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going over there.
This is too windy, bro. If I had a different coat on, I wouldn't.
Boy, you live in the windy city. Come on now.
Right now, I'm trying to be cool.
I'm trying to be cool. Why don't you take a picture? Yeah, exactly.
It's supposed to be cool when it's not useful.
Dang, I missed it.
Small one over there on the right.
That was actually, come on.
Push it down. You gotta do like this, tilt it. Yes, to the side. Okay. Yeah, that's enough. Look at this. They always want to eat something sweet. They always make it something.
Who's that? You got that?
Yeah, for me.
All right, you said chocolate.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I was gonna make something sweet.
For me?
Yeah, you and your auntie.
Yeah, but I'm talking about you.
Got mine.
Don't think I ain't. I'm trying to give him a call. I know you probably said, what up?
I know mine's about to be too sweet too. I put a whole bunch of hot chocolate and caramel in it.
That's caramel?
Yeah, it's right there, girl.
Oh, I know.
What they say? What they say?
They down there. You talking about come on, wait on? They waiting on us.
Everybody home.
This man trying to get some pointed hot chicken.
I said my shit ready.
I remember getting the. What you getting?
Your parents did
Oh, you really got it. That look good.
Your parents did
Oh, they got that baby bird.
That bird we killed yesterday.
Y'all killing them.
What's that boy name?
And the little thing was actually good, but I know that's gonna mess up my stomach.
Where they at?
I don't know. I'm looking over here. Right there. There she go.
Complete it down, because you didn't work it down. Like you're supposed to be, you should complete it down and then remodel the whole thing. And it's gonna come back.
Oh yeah, Tara woman.
Oh, what? Theirs tastes better than mine. How did that happen? Prime.
Since I'm kicking daddy out.
Boy. What the heck? Yeah, they gotta go downstairs. Y'all going to Nike, right? Ooh, we got chili.
Feels good up under here.
So we're going downstairs just now.
Yeah. Oh, I thought y'all wanted to go downstairs.
I think go either way. Because on the elevator, we could went downstairs last time.
It's on this side anyway. Let's get to that.
Yeah. I ain't tried to trip. Suitcase kind of sucking and going off. They did all this top. I ain't know we had Shake Shack like I told y'all. These be nasty. Not you want to try them.
Look like Krabby Patties.
I was so mad. Them things. I tasted them for the first time. They were so nasty. What?
Can you wait?
So you don't even know what you want.
Bubblegum?
Bubblegum what?
Bubblegum?
Girl, how you had those things?
Bubblegum and red velvet.
They is not that great.
Bubblegum, red velvet, and gingerbread.
Bubblegum, red velvet, and gingerbread. Bubblegum? Oh, bubblegum blue.
Yeah.
Bubblegum,
Gingerbread,
red velvet,
red velvet, and
gingerbread, and
red velvet.
red velvet. Alright. Oh, the cupcakes are good.
I was gonna look at those.
Cake pops. That's the
Cake pops.
The cake pops might be good.
They got vanilla, red velvet.
I want a red velvet cake pop.
They got chocolate and vanilla.
Red velvet cake. Oh, look at the guitar. Chocolate.
Where?
Some shape of guitar.
Oh, right there. Especially chocolate bars.
Bro, look at it, bro.
Stop calling me that.
Huh?
Why you put it like that? You don't know if they can see you. That's a bad angle.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. So we are about to try. I don't even know, little macaron. Macaron. We are about to try La Macaron. La Macaron,
Fresh
whatever.
face.
We're about to try this. So we got red velvet, gingerbread, bubblegum, birthday cake.
Birthday cake, yeah.
Okay.
Can we try the red
Red
velvet?
velvet first.
You want to split it?
Fine, just bite it, girl.
It's not a cake. What is she on about? Not good to me.
Crying. Okay. Hey, you can try the rest. I'm about to try my cake pop. I'm not about to do that.
Try some.
So y'all, we got a red velvet cake pop from them too. It's Christmas themed. Cute. Okay. I can do this. Dang, we should have a picture of it. How you like it? Which one is that?
Oh, birthday cake. It's better than the red velvet, I'm gonna say. It's all vanilla. Don't smell like bubblegum. 1 point off.
I realized why I couldn't hear that super tone. I gotta cover it up.
It tastes like bubblegum. Nah, because it didn't smell like bubblegum. But I was like 10 out of 10.
Girl, you a lie.
It's 10 out of 10. Wanna try it? Let's try
No.
gingerbread. I can't finish this one. Gingerbread.
What?
It's a lot of flavors.
You can take it off. I was gonna take it off anyway.
I'm tasting candy cane,
One more.
cake batter, gingerbread cookies at the same time.
So how you rate all
And
of
red
them?
velvet at the same time.
So how you rate all of them?
Overall, 9.5. Why you keep staring at me? Boo. That's what you eat.
I wasn't expecting you to say that. It's supposed to be boo, tea, and then you were gonna say delicious. And then I'll be like, you watch your mama dishes?
What?
Okay, come on, do it. Boo.
Tea.
Do it again. Come on.
It's
Wait, what you
delicious.
gonna say? Delicious?
Yeah.
Okay. Boo.
Tea.
Delicious.
Go wash your mama dishes.
Crying.
Yeah.
What's first?
Birthday cake,
Second.
bubblegum.
Third.
This one, gingerbread.
Fourth. Red velvet was not last. No way.
Okay, now look. Rock, paper,
Girl, that little fake. I thought she about to really run somewhere.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Dang, lost again.
I know how to be anybody in rock, paper, scissors. It's not like that. It's annoying.
Rock, paper, scissors.
It's a mind.
Kids easy though. They be doing the pattern.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, she got you.
Okay, come on.
I meant to throw rock that one because I knew she was gonna throw the scissors. She gonna throw paper. Nah, that's two. So that means if I lose the next one, you already got a hit, bro. So you already hit the ball. So that's two.
I gotta run.
So that means I get a free loss. No, I get a free loss. Or you can double up on your runs.
Okay, I double up. 5.
Okay, when you double up, you gotta go all the way down to that Ray-Ban sign.
Ray-Ban?
All the way down to that sign right there.
That red sign?
Yeah.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay. Ooh.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper,
Oh no, look at y'all. Ooh, she beat
That was really
you.
the wrong. She did it. She threw the wrong way though.
rock, paper, scissors.
You was just doing all that talking.
Bro, what?
Dang.
By the time I get a win. By the time I
She
get
was beating your butt.
Ain't y'all gonna be doing this for food?
Hey.
We wear Air Force. What you do? Okay, just what you got to wear.
Okay, y'all good?
White shoes.
You tired?
They just would have got, everybody got white.
Fine. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, the parking garage in assembly. Y'all, that's where we going. Ice next weekend.
I'm not going.
We already bought tickets, so.
No, I told y'all, you don't do that no more. Me and
You already
Daddy
got
don't go.
tickets,
No,
Mom.
but
You
you
already
know we
got
don't go.
Daddy said y'all was going.
No, he ain't tell you.
Yes, he did.
Doing what?
He signed you up for ice tubing too. Ice tubing, ice skating.